Hello, what is your name?
I am Rebecca Hagimit.
How old are you?
37 years old.
What is your religion?
Roman Catholic.
Are you married?
Yes.
Okay, do you have kids?
Only one.
How old?
5 years old.
How long have you been working in Hong Kong?
4 years.
Do you have any work experience in other countries?
No.
So how long have you been working with your current employer?
4 years.
Where's your employer living in?
Shatin.
How many square feet of your employer's house?
600 to 800 square meter.
How many family members there?
4.
How many children?
2 kids.
How old are they?
6 and 2.
Okay, so would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
I wake up every day at around 5:30 a.m. and then I prepare breakfast for the kids and for my employers, and also I prepare for their lunch pack.
Okay.
And then after that, for the breakfast, I bring the kids to school and then come back to do the household chores and then do shopping or marketing. And after that, at around 3 o'clock, I'll pick up the kids from school and then come back to prepare for the dinner. And then after dinner, I need to make sure that everything in the house is all tidy and prepare the kids for their bed. Before that, I need to help the kids' homework like tutoring and some other stuff for their school.
Okay.
And then after that, time to take a break.
Okay, so what time you go to bed?
9 o'clock.
9 o'clock. Okay, thank you so much.